So stop me if you've heard this one. The money's in the list. Or maybe you've never even heard that and you clicked on this video because you're like, build a list to make money. Build a list of ways to make money online. Build a list of people that I know. Build a list. Build a friends list. How about build an email list? Let's go back to that building a list of ways to make money online. Start with the things that you know of, the ways that you can make money online, or maybe the ways you've heard that you can make money online. Doing certain actions to make money online. Taking surveys. Getting a gig, for example, Fiverr, where you actually provide a service. Doing a job online, being an outsourcer, or being paid to do remote support online. In this video, I'm specifically talking about affiliate marketing because here on the channel, I focused on getting started using affiliate marketing as the best way, or my number one recommendation for getting started online to make money is by doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing meaning that you find a product and then you recommend that product. Take that a step back, or step back and take that a bit further to understand what affiliate marketing really is. When you are thinking about being in the business of being an affiliate marketer, what you're doing is you're building lists of people that have a problem, a very specific problem that you have the solution for. That solution being the product that you are an affiliate for, meaning again that you recommend that product and then you earn a commission or you make money on the sale of that product in the form of a commission based upon the commission rates that they've set for those products. The people that create the product, that being the vendor or the manufacturer or a big marketplace like Amazon where they have an affiliate program. Tons of opportunity there. But let's go back to building a list to make money online. Build a list, make money online. Take this back to thinking about an audience as a group of people. A group of people that have the exact same problem, the problem that you have the solution for. Take that back to something as simple as possible. Building a list of people. First, let them know that you have the solution for the problem. Once you have the solution for the problem and you're ready to let them know, you got to find out where they are. Where are they hanging out? Build a list to make money online is as simple as coming up with the solution for a problem, then coming up with a message that lets people know that you have the solution to the problem, and then finding out where those people are, finding out where those people are hanging out, and then letting them know about your message. There's this concept of if you have a horse for sale, simply put up a sign that says horse for sale. That's your first step, letting people know that the horse is for sale and then go from there. It's the same thing with this simple concept. This simple concept actually can be quite easy when you step back and you think about it in this manner. Okay, build a list, make money online. First, build a list of the ways you can make money online. We've narrowed that list down, in this case, to doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing being finding a product that has an affiliate program where you can earn a commission. That means that you can make a percentage of the profits that the vendor makes or the marketplace like Amazon makes when you recommend the product. Someone clicks on your link online, they purchase that product, and then you earn that commission. So back to building the list. Tons of questions start to flow here, start to really just ramp up, and you have more and more questions about building a list. A list being an audience, a group of people that have a problem that you have the solution for, specifically in this case, again, as an affiliate marketer. How do you build a list? Just like you build anything else. You start at the bottom, at the ground, and you build your way up. Think about the problem. Develop a message that identifies that problem. Put that message out to the world. Social media. Build a website. Build a blog. Again, you could take out an advertisement in a newspaper, but in this case, we're specifically talking about online. Make a YouTube video. Build a YouTube channel. Create content around the idea of, hey, I know you have this problem. This video solves this problem. If you would like more information about how to solve this problem or to dive deeper into this problem and get the solution that is going to solve this problem for you, check out the link in the description. You see me here on the channel do that all the time. And of course, there is a link in the description in case of this video that is going to answer more questions that you have about list building. In this case, it's a list building workshop where if you have questions, I've got answers. Actually, my co-host and I over at the Affiliate Files, right here in my t-shirt. The Affiliate Files is a podcast that I do with Ken Furukawa over at Ken Furukawa Marketing. We are putting on a live workshop about list building. If you have questions about list building and you need to know the answer before you can move forward, or you're just stuck and your list isn't growing and you would like to know how to build a more responsive list, that simply means that when you put a message out to the list of people that you built, they take an action on that content, which basically is, or what you want it to be is, they take an action, meaning they click on your link and they buy the product. Again, this is about earning commissions as an affiliate marketer based upon that list that we made of ways, or sort of thinking of ways to make money online, and settling here on doing affiliate marketing, earning commissions, making money by making recommendations for products that we know work, meaning they solve a problem. Again, that link is in the description for the workshop. This is June 18th, 2022. The workshop is going to be on June 25th, 2022. If you follow this video, or if you found this video and it falls on a date that is later than June 25th, you could probably pick up the recording at that link. So definitely check it out. Either way, there'll be some information there that will definitely help you in the world of list building and, of course, making money online. And with that, I'll talk to you later. Bye.